Welcome to Whissel Beer Group. My name is Katie. I'm super excited to share with you what to expect on our Tuesday meeting. But before we get into that, let's take a little pause so that you can get a better understanding of where to park and how to find the building.
Our office sits in the heart of the La Mesa Village, surrounded by local shops and restaurants. Parking is simple. You'll find metered street parking right outside or free parking just a short walk away. As you approach, you'll see our landmark bright orange front door between Surfrider Pizza and Centafonte's.
You'll be joining us here in the La Mesa office where you'll have an opportunity to meet agents face-to-face. We generally have 50, 60, sometimes more agents here in person. It's a beautiful way for us to go over company announcements, celebrate one another, cheer each other on, and also learn skills that can help us in today's market to be as successful as possible. Just know that when you join, if you do not live close to the La Mesa office, we do also offer a Zoom option. Our meeting starts at 11 a.m. sharp. So make sure that you get here early so that you can find parking, find the building, and the person that invited you to be here. A little bit about the meeting itself. The first 15 to 20 minutes are generally company announcements. We go over company goals. We celebrate the people that are crushing it and give each other some shout outs. The second portion of the meeting is always based on skill set. So we want you to be well equipped for whatever's happening in the market and to always be in that place of continued education. We do ask that there are no cell phones or laptops during the meeting itself. So if you're a note taker, bring your pen and paper. We do our best to end right at 12 o'clock, after which you'll be invited up into the conference room so that you can ask any other questions that you might have about our training, what it's like to be on the team, or any other questions you may have.
Directly after the Tuesday meeting ends, we will meet in this conference room here. The goal of this meeting is to spend about 30, maybe 45 minutes max talking about all the questions that you have when you join the team. So what that looks like is we're going to cover splits. What do the breakdowns look like depending on what type of transactions you do? We're going to cover all the expectations and benefits and support that you'll get when you join the team. We're also going to cover the leverage that we allow our agents to be a part of and how that makes us different, how that pertains to you, and how it'll allow you to have more time back in your day. The whole goal of the meeting after the meeting is to make sure that you feel completely comfortable whether you join us or not with Whissel Beer Group, what we offer, and how you can fit into our awesome ecosystem for agents.